Guys, right here we have the Synology 10 gigabit Ethernet adapter. We're gonna install into our Synology DS18-T1 Plus. This is the Synology disk right here. It's loaded with a hard drive, so it's a little bit heavy. What we need to do is take out the 4 bolts in the back. Back here on this Synology, I have the gigabit LAN port, but I also have the PCIe expansion, which we're gonna install this card inside. 4 screws to open up the case. Here's screw number 1, boom. Screw number 2, screw number 3, screw number 4. 2 more screws right there. Whoa, there it is. Beautiful little unit right there. Our goal right here is to install the Synology card right over here. We're gonna open up this door so we can install our card. So there's a screw right here. So lift this up, take out this cover. Now we can install the Synology 10 gigabit Ethernet card right here. So you wanna slide this down to the PCIe expansion slot. Super easy. Push down firmly until it clicks in place, and that's it. It's installed. We can go ahead and put the screw back here. That'll lock down the card for us. Put down the screw. The 10 gigabit Ethernet port, sweet. The card is now installed. Put the cover on top. Once you have the lid in place like that, lift it up slightly and slide it in place. So let's go ahead and put the 6 screws in. Screw number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, the last one. So now our Synology is installed with the 10 gigabit Ethernet port. Now we can still use these for 1 gigabit port, but this is the all-powerful 10 gigabit Ethernet port right now with the Synology 10 gigabit port right there installed. Oh yeah.